Hello, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have old school pork chops, everybody. Didn't that look delicious, everybody? Look at this right here. This is how we do it with perfection. We season it like old school. You know what that old school seasoning is back in the 80s. You guys know what we talking about in the 70s and stuff. But we went on and floured it up perfectly into a nice paper bag. Had our nice oil waiting right here, some vegetable oil right here. And we went on and let it sizzle nice and good for about 10 minutes on one side, and then we're going to flip it over and do the other side for the same. So it takes a total of about 18 to 20 minutes to do perfect pork chops, everybody, okay? If they're nicely cut, they're not super thin. Super thin will be about 10 minutes. You got 5 on each side, okay? Now, this right here is about 10 minutes on each side. Now, we're about to flip it on over. Look at that. Now, another secret is we use our griddle skillet, everybody. Gotta have griddle skillets. I don't fry nothing else except in griddle skillets, like how my grandmother taught me. And my grandmother, of course. Exactly. That's how we do it. When we do fried chicken, fried pork chops, and all that good old stuff. But look at that. This is perfect. See that color? The texture. Now, you don't want to overcook it. You don't want no dry pork chops. Now, this is how it looks afterwards. Look at all this delicious, succulent pork chops, everybody. This is how we do it old school. I'm telling you, people going to talk about you at the church if it ain't right. I know, right? Exactly. But this is how we do it. Look at that. Look how the nice flakiness. I had to even slow down the video so you guys could see the crevices and the seasonings up aboard this beautiful pork chop right here. Look at that. Grandmother, this looks so good. Oh, I love your pork chops. They are just perfect. Exactly. That's how we do it. You don't rush it. You don't have your fire on high. You have it like on a medium, low, medium, high, in between. You got to play around with it, make sure it's perfect. But that kind of skillet holds your heat perfectly. Now, we also have some other things that's on our YouTube channel. You might want to go ahead and filter that. We're going to have some honey cornbread, everybody. We even have sweet potato cornbread. Yes, we do, granny style. And mac and cheese. Y'all make sure you follow us on YouTube and get that over there. Come on, y'all.